If your Trex deck materials show up at your house and then vanish the next day, figuring out who's on the hook can get messy fast. So here's the deal. Whoever bought the materials from the supplier is responsible for them until they're actually installed. Like, even if the stuff is sitting at your place but not nailed down yet, it's still legally theirs. Now, if you as the homeowner say, "Hey, I'll keep an eye on these," or agree to store them safely, then yeah, you'd be taking on that responsibility. But without a contract saying otherwise, it really boils down to who holds the receipt. For contractors, a smart move is having insurance that covers materials stored on-site, usually not too pricey for something like $30,000 worth of stuff. If the homeowner provided the materials, that flips the responsibility back to them. Otherwise, it's on the contractor to move the goods somewhere secure until installation. So don't just leave those pricey boards out in the open, hoping no one walks off with them. One of the biggest mistakes people make with deck materials is assuming once they arrive at the job site, the homeowner automatically owns them wrong, unless agreed otherwise. Another common issue is contractors not having insurance coverage for on-site materials, which can lead to big losses if something goes missing. Lastly, folks often skip getting a clear contract or receipt that spells out who's responsible when, which just makes everything confusing and stressful later. Fix these by always signing something upfront that details ownership and storage responsibilities, making sure your insurance covers materials on site, and never leaving materials unsecured without clear agreement. BigHomeProjects.com is great because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know how to handle stuff like this without headache. Plus, it helps contractors find steady work by putting them in front of folks who really need their skills and reliability.